So they're gonna grab our bags.
So one of ours is here. Are we supposed to...
All right, let's go. Oh, nice hotel. So she basically said we check in over here and then we go to the hospitality desk and they'll give us more information relative to what's going on at the port. Oh, you holding the elevator? Hurry up, hurry up. No. He looks like a very busy man. We can't have him just holding the elevator.
All right, I will call you for you, no problem.
Thank you.
What is your room number then?
223.
223.
Yes.
Have a nice time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, we're looking for 223. We are at the Divani Caravel Hotel, and we're in room 223. Once you come in, you just touch that, go on in. What's cool about this? The door just stays. So you're not kicking the door and holding the door, it just stays, it's magnetic. Well, since we're here, let's go right into the bathroom. Look at the marble floors, marble shower, tile, nice shower. It's got a rain shower head, nice. It's got body and hair gel, conditioner, soap tray, a wand. It's got everything. We've got hand and body lotion, sewing kit, a vanity set, and a shower cap. A shaving set. Well, it's a very fancy place. Tissues, toothbrush and toothpaste, hand soap, soap dish, glass, sanitary bags, European plug, blow dryer, decent look. Oh, that's a decent looking. Got some weight to it. That's a nice blow dryer. Magnifying mirror, very nice. Oh, it's got a bidet. That's the bidet. Wand, a toilet brush, extra toilet paper, trash can, 2 hand towels, 2 bath towels. Got a face cloth here too. Interesting. Okay, back to the hallway. We've got a teapot. That's nice. We boil our water and make tea or coffee. I believe this is a refrigerator. Let's see. Oh, it's a refrigerator that got stuff in it that probably cost money. So we're going to stay away from that. Storage. More storage up above here. Oh, that looks like a vodka bottle might have been thrown up top there. But storage up there. We got all kinds of hangers, all the same shape and size. We've got 2 very nice robes. Divini collection. I want to say Da Vinci, but it's actually Divini collection. A safe. Yeah, no money in there. And this here is a drawer. Andrea will like this. She always likes her slippers. Laundry, if you want to do laundry. A shoehorn. Jesus, this hotel room. Shoe polish. Wow. They've got a lot of neat little things that they give their guests. And more storage. The lighting in here is a little difficult, so the video may not be that great. Beautiful mirror right here. But when you come into the room, you've got 2 beds put together, a nice backboard. We got beautiful end table lamps. This is the switch for the lamp right here, right next to your bed. Storage and more storage. On this side, we're storing all of our luggage right now. You've got a luggage rack, huge TV, a table, a couch. Andrea's on the couch. Light switch to the lamp. And we've got a drawer, storage, and more storage. Oh, this is what I was looking at. A thermostat. It's kind of like a weird place for a thermostat. But the room is a handicapped room, so this would make sense. So let's get this temperature down. We're going to bring this temperature down about 18.5. Large desk. I love this desk. We've got 2 twin beds put together to make a queen, I would say. Andrea, is that a queen when you put 2 fulls together?
No, 2 singles is a king.
Oh, Andrea said 2 singles is a king. Over here, got this nice marble top. Some more hotel information. Now, we already have our converter in here, so we're traveling from the U.S. or Canada. You're going to want a converter because we've got 2 European plugs. This converter will convert the European to 110 or US plugs. And we got 2 USBs that we can utilize. And we got a USB-C male plug. We got a USB here and a USB-C and a phone jack. What we really need to look at is what's the outside of this place look like? Oh, the window opens. Oh, look at that. That is nice. The window opens so you can let some fresh air in. Very cool. And look up there in the mountain. There's something up there in the mountain. We'll figure that out later. This is our tour of this room.
Thanks for watching, but there's more to explore.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button
so you never miss any adventures.
Click on one of these videos to keep the journey going.
And this is where I say ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.